Yesterday I've given you the link of channel again. You can again subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications on time. Let us see. Okay, the bill is given including GST. Yes, beta. Mostly are giving including, some are giving without GST and they are charging after that. Okay. Suppose you are buying something on Amazon, you will find that suppose how the thing is for 1000 rupees. When you will get the bill, you will get to know that the price of the thing was 950 something and 50 rupees was the GST. Similarly, in many cases it happens, but in some shops you will find that they give the price first, and when they are making the bill, at that time they add the tax. Okay, so this is included and excluded. So let us see. Sir, what is the difference between VAT and GST? Harshul, they both are similar. They both are taxes only for the government. Earlier, we used to have VAT. Earlier, we used to have many taxes. But nowadays, government what has done is, government is trying to make taxes easy so that it is not confusing for anyone. So that's why they have made GST, that is goods and services tax. They are trying to make taxes all over the country similar. Okay, this is a try from their side. Now let us see, because our NCERT is old, so we have to go for VAT only, but right now we are dealing with GSTs, but that is similar concept. Okay, so let us see what is VAT or taxes. So sales tax or value added tax. As I've told you, this is the extra money that you are giving to the shopkeeper for government. Okay, this tax is calculated on selling price. The tax calculated on selling price is known as this sales tax or value added tax. So there is a question on GST. Very good. If we have a question on GST, we will see. Okay, example number 8. Let us see example number 8 and try to understand the concept. Finding sales tax. The cost of a pair of roller skates at a shop was rupees 450. So a roller skates was hanging on with a label selling price equal to rupees 450. So question is telling you the selling price of skates is rupees 450. The sales tax charged was 5%. So sales tax that you have to give is 5%. Kindly mind this thing, this sales tax is not included right now, so we have to include it in the bill. Okay, when they include it already, we don't include. Okay, so we will find 5% of selling price and we will add that in that. So we will say the total cost or bill amount will be given by selling price plus tax value. And how to find tax value? Very easy. Tax value we can find very easily by tax percent upon 100 multiplied with what? Selling price. Sir, your voice is glitching. Bhavya Manchanda. Others, please confirm, because I think today everything is fine from my side. Please confirm for Bhavya. Yes, so all are saying it is okay. Now, let me put the value of tax, that is 5% upon 100 into SP is 450. Let me cut this. So we will get 5 into 45 is 25. 5 for the 20. 225 upon 10. I have told you not to touch these beautiful numbers. Just cut the 0 and put a decimal. So we will say the tax value is how much? Class, please answer. The tax value is rupees 22.5. So we will just add them. Now the bill amount is rupees 450, which was your selling price, plus 22.5, which was your tax, and that is equal to 472.50. To save this 22 rupees, what we do? We say, Bhaiya, we don't want any bill. And that's the point where we are promoting this black money. So we should try not to avoid these original bills. We should always take these original bills because this much money will go to government and government will use it for our benefits only. Okay. So let's see, because you can understand the train that we are using, it is having a fare which is less than half of its actual price. From where that money is coming? Government is funding that money. Okay. So we must trust the government and after some time everything will be fine. Okay. Example number 9 on, sir, what will government do with rupees 22? Government will do a lot of things with rupees 22 because you are not the only person to give this money. There are many people. We are around billions. So if one person give 1 rupee every day to government, they will have billions of rupees every day. So you can understand how much this 22 rupees will contribute to the government. Okay. So let us see question number 9, example number 9. Wahida bought an air cooler. Normally people buy air conditioner. She is buying air cooler. It's okay. For rupees 3,300. So she is buying this cooler for rupees 3,300 and including a tax of 10%. So this is very important. Wahida bought cooler for rupees 3,300. Maybe this is her bill amount. This was her bill amount. She got to know that a tax was already added. And what was the tax? Included VAT was how many percent? 10%. Class, are you able to understand? In this question, the tax was already calculated and they are giving you the final amount, which is 3,300. They are not telling you the selling amount. Okay. We have to find that selling price. So let us read the question again. Find the price of the cooler before VAT was added. So we all know the bill amount comes like this: selling price plus VAT. In our case, we know this amount. We know this amount. We don't know this amount. And we know this is 10%, but we don't know the value. So what to do? How will we find that? Sir, are these books editions very old? Because they are showing VAT. Yes, beta Shaurya. They are not very old. I guess they are 7-8 years, because I also have studied the same book when I was in class 7th. Okay. So you can understand. Now the thing comes how to find. First, let's assume. Let the selling price be how much? Class, please answer. Let the selling price be rupees X. So we will assume selling price to be rupees X. So let's find the VAT on it. Therefore, VAT on selling price will be given by 10% of X, that is 10 upon 100 multiplied with X. Let me cut this. You will get X upon 10 is the VAT. Class, are you able to understand what I am doing? Are you able to understand? I have assumed the selling price as X, then I have calculated the VAT on that price. Okay. I have assumed SP as X. I have found the VAT on that price. And now we know that the billing amount is equal to selling price plus VAT. We know the billing amount is 3,300, which is equal to SP. SP is X plus VAT is X upon 10. So we have got a equation. We have got a equation in which X is the variable. And we have been doing these questions from childhood. How to find the value of variable? We have to isolate the variable. Okay. And to isolate it, what will we do? Let us see. We will take LCM of 10 on the right hand side. LCM of 10, it becomes 10x plus x. Sir, from last year, not childhood. Oh, sorry. Harshul, I thought you were doing all this thing from childhood. Our child normally say ABCD, but you were doing all these things, huh? So we have got this equation. We can isolate the x on right hand side. This 10 will go to the multiplication, 11 will go in the division, and we will get 3300 upon 11 into 10. And for our, what you say, 11 3 33 00, x is equal to rupees 3000. This was the price of cooler before VAT. I hope you are able to understand what I have done in the question. They have given you a billing amount and they were asking what was the price before VAT was included. So what I have done is, sir, please take Parth. 1 second. Others, please confirm. Are you able to understand? Or shall I repeat this? Yashna, Hiteshri, others, please. Very good, Krishna. It is very easy. What they are saying is you have to find selling price. Okay, Yash, Yash saying to repeat. Okay, Yash, 1 second. What is given to you, Yash? Please see the question. Sir, please take Palak. Beta, I will not take anyone after some time because it is already 8:56. It is your mistake. Joel saying don't repeat. Okay. Okay, Joel, just 1 second. Huh? Question is, Wahida bought an air cooler for rupees 3300. Please see those who have doubts. There is a lady, Wahida. She is buying a cooler. Okay. So she got a bill. In the bill, total money she gave is 3300. But we all know bill contains two things. One, the selling price, and second, the value added tax. In this question, they have not given us this or this. They have only given us total amount and they are asking to find the selling price. So what we have done, we have assumed this selling price as X rupees, and we know VAT is how many percent? 10%. So we have found 10% of X, which came out as X upon 10. So we have got X plus X upon 10, which is selling price plus your VAT is equal to 3300. This was the equation which I solved to find the value of selling price. Easy. Okay. In this case, we are going in the reverse direction. That is why you are finding it difficult. That is why I told you to read questions and try on your own before coming to the class. Okay. Always try the questions on your own first and then come to the class. It will help you to understand questions easily. Now, let's start the question of exercise. And all of you, please remain, what you say, attentive. I will be adding solutions of this exercise on my YouTube channel so that you can verify your answers. I will try to put up today. Now see, 8.2, question 1. Now all of you will solve it for me. A man got 10% increase in his salary. So given to us, increase in salary is how much? 10%. Now they are saying if his new salary is 1,54,000, if new salary is 1,54,000, find the old salary or the original salary. Again, it is a reverse question. The thing which is in future is given to you and thing which is in past is being asked from you. So I have always told you to assume these things as rupees X. We have assumed the original salary is rupees X, and we all know the statement is very simple. New salary is equal to original salary plus, all of you please answer, plus the increment. We all know the statement is very simple. We just have to keep in mind this statement that new salary comes from original salary plus increment, whatever increment we have got. But this increment is a value. This increment is not a percentage. Okay. So first we will try to find the increment. And we all know increment is found on original salary. Increment is found on original salary. So let us find the increment value first. Increment is given by 10% of original salary, and we all know original salary is how much? Class, please answer. What is the original salary? Please answer. What is the original salary? Please answer. Please answer. Yes, just it is X. So 10% of X is the increment value. Okay. So let us find this. Don't ever get afraid of X because now you have 2-3 years of experience with X. Okay. So 10 upon 100 multiplied with X. 0 and 0 cancel out. We will get X upon 10. This is the value. This is the value. Jishan, you are correct, beta. Your way is also correct. Class, I'm again reminding you, there are many ways to solve these questions. I am taking the way which is most convenient. You can take other way also, which are easy and short also. Okay. So we have got this increment of X upon 10. Now let us put the values in equation. New salary is equal to original salary plus increment. If you write the statement always, it will be easy for you to understand the question. We say new salary is 1,54,000 given to us. We know original salary is rupees X. We know the increment is X upon 10. Sir, you are doing question 1, but on my screen, example 8 is coming. Maybe Bhavya, your net connection is slow. That is why you are facing these issues. No issue. You can find this recording on YouTube channel. You can watch again. Okay. Now, class, if you can see, I have written an equation and you all are habitual of solving these equations. Very simple. You all are fan of Shakuntala Devi and you can solve all these questions very easily. So you will get 10x plus x, that is 11x upon 10 is equal to 1,54,000. You all are fan of Shakuntala Devi, I know. X is equal to 1,54,000 into 10 upon 11. And I have told you the rule for division of 11 is we subtract the even places and odd places. In this case, we can divide this. 11 ones are 11, 4 remainder, 11 fours are 44 and 000. So we have got, yes, she is a human computer. She was a human computer. So we have got X is equal to 1,40,000. So what do you say? The price for the original salary was 1,40,000. After increment, it became 1,54,000. Is it clear to everyone? Kindly confirm. Yes, because of attitude. Attitude should not come in anyone. If you are good at something, you should be humble about it, okay? Because more you have knowledge, more humble you become. If you are becoming, what you say, arrogant, that is a bad thing because arrogance will take everything from you, okay? Never be arrogant for your, what you say, this knowledge, because knowledge is not limited. Knowledge is unlimited. We are still trying to find many things in the universe. Sir, how much total dollars you got from YouTube? Beta, I cannot disclose. I got a lot. Okay. Question number 2. On Sunday, 8:45 people went to the zoo. I was joking. Okay. It is not that easy. Just I have not got anything from YouTube till now. I only have this 260 something, and people who are having millions and billions of subscribers, they are making money. Okay. It is not that easy. You have to work very hard to earn money. Question number 2. On Sunday, 8:45 people went to the zoo. Now, who has doubt in this question? It was Rachit. Okay, Rachit, please see. On Sunday, 8:45 people went to the zoo. So you will see on Sunday, people visited zoo are how much? 8:45. So let me write what is given to us. Yes, beta. Krishna, you are correct. You have a lot of knowledge about these things. Huh? On Monday, only 169 came. Can you tell me why on Monday there are 169? Can you tell me a reason? On Monday, people visited zoo are only 169. Can you tell me the reason behind this? Why this is happening? On Sunday we have this many people? Yes, it is a working day. Most of the students are in the school. They cannot go to the zoo. Now they are asking, what is the percent decrease in people of zoo? In people visiting the zoo, sorry. Find the percentage decrease. To find the percentage decrease, first we need to find decrease, because we all know percentage decrease is actually decrease value upon original number multiplied with 100. So first we need to find the decrease value. Can you tell me what is the decrease value, class? Can you tell me what is the decrease value? Very good. No, beta, just don't write this thing 845 minus 169. Please subtract them for me. Hiteshri, 169 is not the decrease value. It is the number of people who went to the zoo on Monday. You have to tell me what is the decrease. Decrease in number of people. Hiteshri, it is 845 minus 169, that is 676. Bhavya Manchanda, very good. Others, please confirm. Yes, Rachit is also saying the same thing. So we have got the decrease in number of people is 676. But the question is not asking that. Question is asking decrease percentage. And we all are very much habitual in finding percentages. So decrease percent is very easy. We will write the decrease, that is 676, upon the original value, which is 845 multiplied with 100. Now please solve this for me. It is very tough looking, huh? Let me start with 5. 5 ones are 3 will be remainder 34. 5 6 are, then 4 will come. 5 9s are, 5 20s are. Okay. Now we have 169, which is divisible by 3. Oh no, not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 13 only. And let us see this one. Yes, we can divide by 13. 13 13s are 169 and 13 5s are 65. 2 is remainder. 13 2s are 26. Again, we have 52 and 13, and for the lucky thing is we can divide them. 13 4s are 52. So we have got 4 2s are 8 and 0%. 80% people have, what do you say, decrease is there. 80% decrease is there. I hope, Rachit, it is clear to you now. I hope, Rachit, it is clear to you now. Rachit, please confirm. So it is 80% decrease. Harshul, beta language. Question number 3, although time is very less, still let me give you a hint of the question. A shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2,400. So the cost price of 80 articles is rupees 2,400 and sells them for a profit of profit of 16%. So profit is given to you as 16%, and they are asking find the selling price. It is very easy question, class. What will we do in this question? Any idea? What will we do? First we will find what? First we will find, yes, first we will find, please answer fast. Yes, Hiteshri. First we will find, no, why we will find one article? Okay, find selling price of one article. Yes. You have to find selling price of one article. But that is also easy. You can find SP of 80 articles, then divide by 80. It is same thing. Okay, not an issue. You can do by two way. Either you can find price of one article, like CP of one article will be given by, as 80 are for 2,400, then one is for 2,400 upon 80, which is coming out to be rupees 30, I guess, na? Or 300. 8 3 24 and 0. Yes, it is rupees 30 for one article. Okay, so profit is given to you 16%. We all know selling price is cost price plus profit, but this profit is profit value, not profit percentage. So you have to first find the profit value and then add in the CP and you will get the selling price. It is very easy. And with that, I am closing this recording and you all can switch on your video.